Welcome to LineSpex IP Camera tutorial. Today I will be going over how to connect and find your IP cameras, as well as some quick configuration steps. All of the IP discovery tools discussed in this video can be found on our website, and the detailed setups for the cameras can also be found in our manual. We can go to linespex.com and then download the IP finding tools discussed in this video. First, let us start by finding the IPs of the high-speed and high-definition camera. By opening the tool and click Find button, the IPs of the cameras can then be displayed. We can right-click to open the web page setup for the IP cameras. Or we could also enter in the IP address to open the web page setup for the IP cameras. Let's log in here by entering the default username, admin, and the default password, 12345. Shown here is the setup page of the high-speed and high-definition IP cameras. Now, let us go over some basic settings of the IP cameras. Navigate to the network section to configure the IP address allocation. Activating DHCP assigns an IP address automatically, while deactivating it requires manual entry. Under date and time, we can choose to turn on network time protocol to adjust the time automatically in accordance to the NTP server. In the camera setting, we can choose to manually adjust the shutter speed if the object is moving fast and the image is blurry. Under System Setting, we can select Camera Name to change the name as we want it. Within the video settings, users can configure the bit rate. It is recommended to select the maximum bit rate to ensure optimal video quality. Resolution defines the number of individual pixels that constitute a single frame of video. Here we can change the resolution. A setting such as 1920 x 1080 provides a high definition image. Increasing the resolution enhances the clarity of the image, but also increases the volume of data that must be processed by the camera hardware and transmitted across the network. At the same time, we can change settings of frame rate, measured in frames per second. Dedicates how many images are captured in 1 second of the video. High frame rates are critical in environments where fast-moving objects must be analyzed without motion blur. Here is the flip function. Enabling this feature ensures that the live video and recorded footages are displayed in a standard viewing format. By selecting the flip option in the video mode menu, the software corrects the orientation without requiring physical reinstallation of the hardware. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for choosing LineSpex.